I'm making pancit for today's video. I got shrimp, carrots, cabbage, and meatballs, and celery, red pepper, and yellow pepper. Ito po yung pancit natin. Yung noodles. Ituin natin yung vegetable, carrots, saka yung red pepper. Then, pinito ko yung carrot o yung celery. Then, lagay ko yung cabbage. Mix ko lang. Then, pinapry ko nila itong mga vegetables bago ko ilagay yung noodles. Okay. A little bit black pepper. So I mix everything. Celery, cabbage, and this carrots and red pepper. I will mix everything and then lagay na natin yung noodles. Okay. Tapos ilalagay ko yung ito, yung meatballs. Nagpakulo ako ng water at saka oyster sauce and soy sauce. Tapos nilagay ko yung pancit. Lagay na natin yung pancit. Mix natin. This is the final result. So, tapos na. It's delicious. Papakainin ko na naman ang buong barangay nito. I'm working tomorrow. I will give some for my coworker. See, tastes good.